Y'all, am I the last one to be trying out these products? Dang, this seal on here tight. Oh my gosh. Hi guys, I'm back with another video and I'm not gonna even waste any time. Guess where I went today? Yes ma'am, yes sir. Miss Tabitha Brown is in the house. We got her shampoo, we got her leave-in, we got the hair cream, and we got the hair and scalp oil. So are y'all ready? Let's do it. All right, y'all. First, we're going to start with the shampoo. The website says, prepare to indulge your senses and experience the ultimate nourishment for your thirsty strands. The first thing I noticed is that it felt like silk going onto my hair. And then suddenly I was engulfed by the sweet scent of cinnamon and vanilla, which happens to be some of the key natural ingredients. Cinnamon removes buildup from the scalp for healthy follicles. Vanilla, rich in minerals to stimulate blood circulation to the scalp to aid in hair growth. And of course, it contains sweet potato, which is a great source of biotin to promote hair growth and thicken the hair shaft. Other key natural ingredients include vitamin E, an antioxidant that leaves the hair hydrated, bright, and smooth, and aloe vera and shea butter, both of which are very moisturizing and both of which my hair loves. This product is vegan friendly and it contains no parabens, it's color safe, and it's free of sulfates. And I loved the way it lathered up, y'all. It felt so soft and silky. I shampooed and rinsed twice. And let me just say, I use a lot of gels and creams and custards in my hair. And by the end of the week, I have a lot of product buildup. And this shampoo did a great job removing that buildup and cleansing my scalp without stripping my hair dry. And that's pretty impressive for a sulfate-free shampoo. My hair feels clean and hydrated. All right now, Miss Tabitha, well done. All right, y'all, I am back and my hair has been freshly washed and deep conditioned. And for my deep conditioner, I had to go in with my Camille Rose Algae Renew because Tabitha doesn't have a deep conditioner. Now, if your products are as good as everybody says they are, Tabitha, I'm gonna need that deep conditioner. I hope y'all are working on it. I need some kind of hair mask, some kind of something, because I'm a deep conditioning girl, all right? Not a regular conditioner girl, although I heard that's good too. But I want a deep conditioner. Can you do that for me, please? Okay, moving on. It is time to try this sweet potato pie extra creamy leave-in conditioner. Y'all, am I the last one to be trying out these products? I saw so many videos and most of them had excellent reviews about these products. So I'm just so excited. But am I really the last one to try these? Because they came out, what, 1-2 years ago? I'm always late to the game. But that's all right. Anyway. Okay, it says rich and sweet, made with real sweet potatoes, stirred with vanilla and sprinkled with warm cinnamon. Perfect hair recipe for nourishment and moisture for hair and scalp. Okay, that was on the front. On the back it says, hello there. Made with natural ingredients, the perfect recipe for healthy hair and scalp. Sweet potatoes packed with vitamin A and omega-3 fatty acids add luster by nourishing the hair follicles and hair. Cinnamon removes buildup from the scalp to allow for healthier follicles and overall hair and scalp health. Vanilla soothes the scalp and softens dry, rough hair. All right, let's do it. First thing I noticed is it has that seal. I like that. Dang, this seal on here tight. Made me chip my nail polish. Look at that. I had on a top coat too. Okay, the back of the bottle also says, honey, a dessert for your hair. Donna has done it again with this made in heaven sweet potato pie leave-in conditioner recipe that your scalp and hair are sure to love. spoil yourself without a signature creamy, rich, sweet aroma leave-in conditioner to bring goodness and joy to your hair care routine. I like that. The directions say to apply to wet or dry hair. No need to rinse. Very good. Enjoy and go about your business. Okay, I'm just gonna wet my hair a little bit more. There it is. It is creamy, like a real creamy lotion. Oh my gosh. Woo, y'all. They said it smelled good, but I wasn't ready. Ooh wee. All right. Oh, y'all, it smells so good. Okay. Feels good going on to the hair strands. Now, I usually detangle in the shower after I rinse out my deep conditioner, so my hair is pretty much detangled, but I'm just gonna go through it anyway with this wide tooth comb. Okay. My hair is soaking this up. That's a great thing, y'all. She likes it. I hear JoJo out there crying, y'all. He wants his mama. Spoiled rotten. All right, I'm just gonna keep going. Speed this up a bit. Okay, y'all, the leave-in has been applied and my hair is just soaking this stuff right up. Yes. But y'all, Lord have mercy, the scent. The scent. Moving right along. Next, we're going to try this sweet potato pie extra creamy hair cream. And it is super thick. Look at that. Oh yeah. So I'm gonna start with about that much. And normally I put my hair back into 4 sections, but I'm just going to add it to all of my hair just a little bit because I think I'm going to do a braid out, but I like to do my braid outs on stretched hair, so I am going to use some indirect heat to stretch out my hair, meaning that I'm going to sit under the hair dryer for just a little bit and brush my hair so it'll stretch out. I am not going to get a second piece of pie. No. All right, y'all. We are stretched and we are ready to section this hair off and get to braiding. Okay, for these braids, or should I say plaits, I'm going in with this extra creamy hair cream, and we're gonna use some of this extra creamy hair and scalp oil. And I'm gonna start by rubbing some of this hair and scalp oil into my scalp. Look at that. This is like a thick shea butter. Okay? Smells delicious. I'm just gonna rub a little bit and massage it into my scalp. Now I'm just gonna lightly mist my hair so it doesn't revert too much. And I'm going to get some of this extra creamy hair cream and apply that to this section. Right, and then we're gonna seal in that moisture with the hair and scalp oil. Yeah, that stuff smells so good. It smells just like all the other stuff, but a little bit stronger. Okay, it's starting to revert back too much, so let me get to plaiting. Okay, I forgot to tell you a little bit about that hair cream. The website says, indulge in this lightweight, non-greasy sweet potato pie hair cream that provides superior moisture, penetration, and soft, touchable definition to curls. Besides sweet potato, cinnamon, and vanilla, some of the other key natural ingredients are sugar maple sap, shea butter, mango butter, avocado oil, sweet almond oil, tangerine oil, and something called Avena sativa, which says it soothes and treats for good scalp health. Now, about the hair and scalp oil, it says made with natural sweet potatoes stirred with vanilla and sprinkled with warm cinnamon, the perfect hair recipe to give your hair an extra boost of moisture and shine. And it also has sugar maple sap, shea butter, cocoa butter, mango butter, avocado oil, sweet orange oil, sweet almond oil, tangerine oil, and Avena sativa. Y'all, this is some good stuff. And just like the other products, they are both vegan friendly. Okay, y'all, I am done braiding up this hair. Here's what it's looking like. I got about 3 in the front, 3 on the sides, 2 in the back and middle, and 3 on this side. So now I'm just gonna put on my bonnet, let this dry overnight, and I'll see you in the morning for the takedown. Good night. Good morning. I slept like a baby and my braids are all dry, so let's get ready for this takedown. Now I know I look crazy while I'm taking this braid out. I was looking down at my mirror so I could see what I was doing, because I always want to take my time when taking them out. Okay, y'all, the braids are all out, and here's what we're looking like so far. I think I got some great definition on this side. Not too bad on this side either, but I do have a little bit of frizz. And I tend to frizz in the crown of my head. I don't know what that looks like yet. I'm afraid to look. But so far, I'm pretty pleased with the results. Let me go get cute right quick, and then I'll be back. Tabitha. Girl, you better stop playing with me. Boy, what a little fluffing will do. Come on, volume. What y'all think? Y'all, I forgot how much I love braid outs, especially when they turn out right. And this one exceeded my expectations. So let's talk about it. The moisture is there. The hold is there. The definition, volume, yes, and shine. So my final thoughts. The shampoo, it's definitely moisturizing and it didn't strip my hair. The leave-in, also very moisturizing. Now I will say this, I did wish it had just a little more slip. It's still a great product, but for me, I just needed just a little more slip. Baby, this hair cream is everything. Excellent, excellent product. I also love this hair and scalp oil. This is going to come in handy during the winter. My hair gets really dry during the colder months, and this is going to help seal in moisture. All right, y'all, that's going to do it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please click that like button. And if you enjoy videos like this and you're not already subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe and join my little YOLO family. Help me get to 5,000K. That is my goal for this year. And don't forget to click that notification bell so you don't miss another one of my uploads. Thanks so much for watching. Take care. Bye.